Look out!
Oh, what's next?
You still doing this?
That's for the trouble. He's out of ammo!
Pretty good shot for a journalist.
I've had some practice.
Just keep moving.
Help me with this door. On three. 1, 2, 3. That's it.
Thanks.
Great.
How are we gonna get across?
There's a ladder on the far side.
Maybe we should swim across.
Nice.
Good thinking.
Well, that'll get us halfway there. Go on, boost your... Oh, you're gonna feel that in the morning. Okay, we're all clear.
Is it always like this with him?
Pretty much.
See anything up there?
Come on, this way. Those are resistance fighters. Just come on. We have to hurry. All right. We should be safe in here.
Whoa. Cool.
How about that, huh?
You brought us right to the doorstep.
So I'm guessing it's not a coincidence that we ended up here?
No, not exactly.
God, you're an ass. Okay, just what is it you're after anyway?
See that symbol up there? It's called the Chintamani Stone.
Nate?
It's a massive raw sapphire. It's worth millions.
So let me get this straight. You're competing with a psychopathic war criminal for a mythological gemstone?
When you put it that way, it does sound pretty stupid.
Yeah, thanks for the input, Jeff.
And it's supposedly in this temple.
Well, no. Stone itself isn't here.
Hey, look at that.
No?
No, it's in Shambhala.
Shambhala?
Nate,
Yeah, you know, Shangri-La.
can I have a word with you, darling? On second thought, perhaps we should continue this conversation inside.
Good idea. Come on. All right, we should be safe in here for now.
This just doesn't add up, Nate. Lazarovich can't be after the money. He doesn't need it. You're missing something.
Come on, we haven't got all day. You two stay here.
All right, promise me you'll stay put. We'll be right back.
Famous last words.